And so what? You think I wouldn't find out? Are you going to tell me anything? Are you going to tell me if it's true or not? Did you cheat on me or not?
Taf għax xiex għamilt hekk hux?
Why? I want to know. What, you think because I can't understand you, you think you're gonna go around talking to other people thinking that you're better than me? Or think that you're gonna get away with it? What, because I can't understand you, that I can't speak your language?
Da kollu li ġara kollu tortijak. Għax indin smajt minn ommok. U li tajtni
What's she got to do with anything? And she was right. She was right from the very beginning that I should have never fucking married you.
Marra tajet fuċċi darbohra.
Oh, what? What? I can't even. Is it true or not? Did you cheat on me or not? Did you do it or not? Because I'm done. I'm sick and tired of coming home and not knowing if you went out with somebody else and fucking cheated on me because I can't do this anymore. I can't. Did you cheat on me or not?
Yes. Yes.
I'm done. I'm done playing all these games.
What's the face, Ira?
I'm going out.
Face, Ira.
You're never going to see me again. I'm telling you now, you're never going to see me again. I'm done with you. I'm done with your stuff. I'm done with your family. I'm done with...
Inta ħatoqgħod, all right? Aw, postok int! U xejn iktar!